Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Ying with Donna. Today I'm working on the Legit Kit Box of the Month, month 10, and it's week 2, which I have classified in my filing system as week 38. So let me show you a couple tidbits and tricks about this one. So your H1, you've only got 2 sections, so that's really easy. Then your H2, it's just one big piece. So in order to keep it from slipping and sliding, you're going to want to keep it pinned in place until after you have joined this block. And that'll just streamline the process for you and make it really simple. Some of the blocks now, as you can see, we're right here. These are going to start getting really simple. But when we get up into here, you're going to see where a lot of magic is going to have to happen to make this baby come out right. So let's get sewing. Lock it in place and just streamline it straight in. I'm going to slide this over because my paper slipped and I don't want it to not be sewn in right. So it's better to fix it now. And I'm going to lock it in place here and be done. So now we're going to pull it over and we're just going to pop that paper out. Technically, I didn't even need to keep that paper on there, but I chose to for demonstration purposes. And you're just going to do like we have every step of the way. Flip it over and you're going to do the same here. I did not need to keep this because I'm going to take this whole page off. There's no need to keep it on there. And that's the one I meant, that you could have just taken that paper off once you join this block, because you're going to know what it is. So this here I will take off in its entirety and go ahead and get these little snidbits out of the way. So here I will keep this one in, and we're just going to pull this paper. And your floor is kind of going to look like confetti party. And that's okay. We're going to lay the block open now. Give it a little bit of pressure. And just finger press this one in. Then you're going to give it the heat. And that's going to line it up nice and tidy. Now we're going to lay this one down because we're done this section. So let's go ahead and just join them together. So you know your alphabet. So you're just going to put them in alphabetical order right here. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pin in place here and give it a little pinch. That way I know I'm lined up at my center. That you don't want to have any buckles or waffles there. You're going to check here to make sure that you're lined up exactly where you need to be. And you're going to flip it or pin it there. This is going to come straight over, so that's going to line up. And then we're going to come over on this corner and make sure everything lines up. And it is. So let's go ahead and get this one sewed in. And I like it now that we've gotten the 2 blocks per week because you can get a lot more done real quick. Back tack it in. Pull your clip out. And I'm at my junction. Now this is going to be really stretchy. So I want to make sure that I have them pinched in place so that they're going to line up just right. Stay true to your 1/4 inch. And lock it in place. And I only had this little piece right here to pull out. And like I said, if you miss any of these little tidbits, you can always go back after you get it all pressed out and just double check yourself and make sure that you've gotten them all. And I like to just go ahead and get them out now. It makes it a lot simpler. And right here, you're going to have a little bit to just pluck it out. And then you'll have it over here as well. Finger press it down and pull it out. Take all of my little scraps. I've gave in on the trash bin for now. My floor is going to look like confetti as I work the end of this. So now I'm just going to do like always. You're going to finger press your seam. And get it opened up. Now here at this junction, you're going to want to make sure that you're pushing it tight. Then work your way across. And you're going to be able to feel that you might need to pull your fabric just a little bit to get it to come in place. Right here you have a little bit of a nudge, so just finger press that in place as well. Apply your heat. I love to use my clapper, so when I'm sewing without the camera, I use my clapper quite a bit. And when I'm joining my big pieces, the acorn pin is a blessing. So now we have 2 weeks finished for this one. I have a little string here that I saw, but I did not pull it out. And as you can see, everything lines up nice and tidy. So I'll see you back again next week as we join another section together. You guys take care, God bless, and have a fabulous week. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up. Helps us keep in the algorithm. Bye-bye.